morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be heading down to Evasive Motorsports for breakfast or cars and coffee. I'm going to be meeting up with Bricks. It should be a pretty cool event, but I washed my car last night in order to be ready for today, and I guess I parked next to like a sprinkler or whatever, but like I didn't expect it to go off. But look at my windshield. It is all, hopefully you guys can see that, it's all watermarks everywhere. So I'm going to try to like wipe it down really quick, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But I just want to give you guys an update. We're going to be working on the Mark III, so there's going to be Mark III videos coming up very shortly. I had some parts way back when. We just finally got around to working on the Mark III, so I'm super excited. If you guys are an OG of the channel, you guys should know that I have a 1989 Mark III manual transmission turbo Supra. It should be fun, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and please help me get to my goal of 500 subscribers. Let me know what you guys' favorite cars from the event, but I'll update you guys once I get there. So we pulled up to a random Chevron to get the car wiped down. Huge thanks to say hi.
Hi.
This car is all so clean. I'm jealous, but only. And we pulled up next to the Supras. Dude, look at the Ferrari. I know, this one's beautiful. See, I like how his calipers look. Oh, it's like, okay, I don't know if that's painted or what, but it looks good. This is sick. And it has like, oh, everything is Supra too. Like
this is nice.
There's S2Ks right there. This is clean. I like it.
I like it. Man, it's not too crazy.
I know. But this Ferrari. But this Ferrari is actually really nice. Oh, look, it's another Mark IV. This Ferrari is beautiful. This is beautiful. I like the demon eyes, but I mean, my opinion doesn't matter. I don't like the, what is that, like the burnt, like the emblem and like the M4 thing, how it's like that burnt titanium look. It looks good though. I like the demon eyes, the carbon fiber hood. I like the seats though. He did white. I think that's like probably like the best option. But good job, my friend. He has Girl Scout cookies.
Oh, dude, I just bought some the other day.
Well, this is clean. He must really.
Watch out.
Oh shit. He must really like the burnt titanium look, because even his lug nuts are. Oh, I like his taillights. Dude, this guy must really like it, because even his exhaust tips are the same thing.
I think he was going for like a trend.
This guy got money. The M4 CS. He has money. But beautiful. This is sick. This is beautiful. He stole your license plate.
I know, I see that.
It says K-Bye. Dude, this guy's seats are actually pretty nice. Does this remind you of Japan? These cars?
Yeah, it does. 100%.
Dude, this is sick. Look at the seats, dude. This...
I should park next to this guy.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel like these seats can't be comfortable.
Oh, there's no way. At least with my back issues, fuck no.
And I don't think my butt can fit in these seats.
You know what? This will be my daily. I'm gonna order import one of these from Japan.
What is this? That.
Is he juicing? What is that?
I don't know what that is.
No idea.
But even like the back is so clean. The bed.
It's probably, I don't know if he does, if it's Nas or not, but fucking the label is a drink from Japan. It's Milkis. It's really good, really good.
Wow, that's funny. I think it's your counterpart. The dad band back in that heyday. And it's right hand drive. That should go crazy. I know, it sounds absolutely crazy. yellow BBS wheels. Oh, with the blue one. With the blue BBS wheels, those are clean. And the Porsche. He's probably not gonna park there. I love it. Which one is this? S what? 14? Dude. Alright, you know how I'm really big into emblems?
I already see you like having all your favorite emblems mounted on your wall and shit.
I really want to. Like the MR2 emblem is really nice too. I like the wheels. The wheels are nice. It's clean. With the exhaust clip on, I don't like it. It's your dream car, right? Okay, see? Emblems again, Bricks. I want it. I don't know if I'll ever own a Honda, but I want the emblem. Look, it even has a baby seat. I know. You're gonna get one?
Hopefully.
Or are you gonna get the RX-7?
Don't for me, don't ask me that question.
Dude, this thing is crazy. Alright, which one? This one's nice. Do you like the paint splatter, the glitter? I'm assuming this is a girl's car.
Yeah. It goes with the color.
This is nice. Oh, let's see if I can fit. Isn't there supposed to... Okay, I'm not like... So these are the modified ones. Here. Okay, see? I like... See? Emblems again. That emblem is sick. Some of them, I think some of them come red. This is nice. Okay, out of all of them, I'd probably pick this one. I don't know. To me, this looks... No, I didn't even notice that. I think it's bigger than your fist, right?
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
This thing is clean. Out of all of them, oh, and actually this one. But I would put like, I'd put this wing on this. I like the color of this, except for I don't like the beige seats.
I think it goes with it, the color of this.
Yeah, I'm sure, but the color is beautiful. The color is absolutely pristine.
Look at the...
I know. See what bricks? What could have been? What could have been? It would have taken me a lot longer to pay it off, though.
Oh, dude, it's the fucking 405.
Right.
It's cool.
Oh. Let's go say hi.
Oh my god.
This is beautiful. I know. This is very, oops, well done. Absolutely beautiful. And look at this Porsche. Oh. Huge ass wing. I think he definitely tracks it, or he's a surgeon. No, because look. That's funny. I haven't seen many Porsches with work wheels. You see the wheels? I haven't seen many with work wheels.
It goes hard though.
I like it, in a sense. But look at the Ferrari. Okay, I'd probably choose this Ferrari over the other one. Are you a Ferrari
I'd like
type?
it more if it was tracked. It looks too clean.
And then there's the R34s. Look, there's the R34s. And then there's your RX-7 over there. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. And then there's another one in the front over there. This is clean. See? The BBS wheels, the center caps. Oh, okay, that makes sense. This is nice too. Damn, I wish I had money like that. Let's go look at the other one. Hey, Bricks. I should have bought BBS wheels. I know. Look at the R34 in the front.
Sort of.
That one is absolutely insane. Dude, this is insane. Holy crap. Beautiful. This thing is absolutely insane. But look at the black one up there. Oh, the Porsche, dude, thing is beautiful, and then the R32 in the back. Dude, I don't know if they specialize in the S2Ks, but they have like 2 on the lift over there. Dude, look, and then they have like the inlets. I think that's what you call it. Jordan, step up your game if you're gonna watch this. Look, I'm telling you, they must be specialized in S2Ks. Look, there's one back there. Dude, this one is beautiful. I wish they would have put this one on the floor, so you can, yeah. But then again, they probably don't want people touching it. Dude, look at the Tesla, the Time Attack Tesla. What are those like wheels called? Like, I don't know if the camera can see it, but you know how like the disc on the Tesla, the disc?
I don't know what they're called.
I know some Porsches have it. Like this Porsche is beautiful. Alright, here. Jordan needs to step up his game with that one. Sir, please. Dude, the R32 from Top Rank.
Well, these things are giving me some new ideas for us.
Dude, this thing is sick. How come some of them has like the black Honda thing and the other ones have the red one? I'm assuming the red one's like more KDM, right?
It's usually like what you call it. So you know how the Type R has a red one and the regular ones don't?
Yeah.
It's like that.
Oh. This is sick. I want an RS so badly. There's so many S2Ks in here.
Honestly, she fought with me, a wife to be. Right in Italy, bought her first, look like the wildebeest. Just chill with me, shit is no worry, it is a bill to me. I pull up Diablo, I pull up with models, I gave her her first police. We going for throttle, she swallowed the bottle, I'm all on her ovaries. I gave her some dollars, I Gucci the collar, now she can't get over me. She wanna dose with me, just hop in the ghost with me. Brekkie and Miley.
Alright, we just finished the burrito. I think it was okay. I think it needed more protein in it and less egg. Okay, let's go over there. How did you like your food?
Protein!
Look at the Ferrari. I'm dead, dude. That's funny. Okay, let's go over there. I don't know what cars that was. I like this color. I don't know what color it is, but it's very clean. The new Type R or the old Type R? I'd rather have the old one.
Awesome.
Pumps in the shot of your mama might be up inside it. Cars robotic, bad bitch with a body, but really don't care nothing about it. Capping and popping, I seen a little Mazzy, I could've pulled up and just shot you. It's a jungle, I let them survive. Brekkie just to start a pop. Pop 2 cups of purple, just to warm up 2 cups. Drink, I heard you bitch.
So this car, I was telling Bricks that this is probably my favorite one of my favorite cars from this event. And then there's another one, an old American classic. We're gonna try to take photos of it, but it's so beautiful, so clean.
Pop a Brekkie just to start and pop it. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash. Drink.
If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I forgot to record what Briggs' favorite car was from the event because Briggs had to go, and then I just recorded like some other cars, and then I just had left. But I think my favorite car from the event was probably that 911, like the old school one, or then I think it was a Carrera. I forgot. It was the black and like gold themed one that was on the lift that was inside the event. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys' favorite cars was from the event, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Slippery. Excuse me. Please me. Believe me. Get me. Cause I'm blessing Rory's. You can bet on me. Hey. Take the top. Fuck niggas on my radar watch. Crack a die. Turn them to some gator shots.